simple video how to handbrake turn. Front wheel drive motor, 2 litre, obviously have to have a good handbrake. Right, that's what you do. First thing you do, traction control, ESP, whatever they're called. Put steering in sport as well. And what you do is, once you get a bit of speed, go left and right, have your foot down on the clutch. So like, say I'm getting up to speed now, put it to second gear, put the clutch down, put it in first, left, and then handbrake. And that is it, and then let go of the clutch and fucking spin off forward. Simple as. Birds love it. Clutch in, first gear, go left, right, make sure your left hand's on the handbrake. Once you've gone right, you let go of the clutch just slightly, handbrake turn it, and then you exit out, obviously being in first gear. And that is it. So here's one more demonstration. Going at speed, you put it in second so you're getting a bit of speed, then put it in first, left, right, handbrake up, and then yeah, once you finish the turn, just literally come out of it. You're in second gear, get a bit of speed, clutch down, put it into first, handbrake left and right, and then you slowly release your way out, and that's it. That's how you handbrake turn.